Today I am going to present my project on topic measurement of code execution time using simple Hello World program. Who am I? I am Ganithgattu. I am 8 years old. I am 3rd grade.
They call him Ganesh. They call him Ganesh.
This work is dedicated to pioneers Dennis and Ken for C language, James for Java, Brendan for JavaScript, Van for Python. Also dedicated to all inventors of other languages. Along jobs and woes for giving coolest Apple computers to work with it. First I executed in Java and it took 0.08 seconds. Then I executed C language and it took 0.01 seconds. Then I executed Python 3 and it took 0.02 seconds. Then I executed JavaScript and it took 0.03 seconds. As you can see in this chart, I compared all execution times and the most took Java and the least took C language. Hope you all like my project. While I could write bigger programs, I wanted to focus on time taken to execute for simple code and compare across languages. Thanks friends and instructors.